everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In this video, we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In the previous video, we have already completed exercise 8.1 and we know what are the trigonometric ratios. They are sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A and cot A, right? We are going to learn about some specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You have to remember all of this, but I am going to give you a tip. You have to only remember the sine part and then you can remember all of this, okay? So let's start. So first, what is it? Sine 0 degree. So sine 0 degree is 0, okay? And sine 90 degree is 1. Sine 0 degree is 0 and sine 90 degree is 1. Then sine 30 is 1 by 2, half, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. It is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So what you have to remember, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2, okay? And what will be cos? It is very interesting. What is sine 90? It will be cos 0. What is sine 60? It will be cos 30. Like this it is going to be, okay? So what is it? Sine 90 is 1, so cos 0 will be 1. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, so cos 30 will also be root 3 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by 2 and cos 45 will also be 1 by root 2. Sorry, 1 by root 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 will be 1 by 2. And sine 0 is 0, cos 90 will be 0. Okay? So now let's move to the next one, that is tan. So there is a formula that this is a formula. Tan A will always be sin A by cos A. So if we have to know the value of tan A, we have to just divide sin A by cos A, right? So 0 by 1 is what? It is 0. Now we are going to do 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So what is this? It is tan 30. What it is? It is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. We can write this as 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 will be cut. What remains? It will be 1 by root 3. Okay? So tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. Now let's take out tan 45. It will be 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So okay, so now we are going to find out tan 45. So what it will be? It will be sin 45 by cos 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Right? Now we can write this as 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1 will be cut. What is the answer? It is 1. So tan 45 is 1. Now tan 60. So what it will be? It will be root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So it will be root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 will be cut. What remains? Root 3. Root 3 by 1 means root 3. So the value of tan 60 is root 3. Okay. Now tan 90, what it will be? It will be 1 by 0. Can we divide 1 by 0? No, we cannot divide 1 by 0. It will be not defined. not defined. Okay, now let's move to the next one, that is cosec. In the previous video we have already learned that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So what is there in sine? That reciprocal only it will be cosec, right? So it is very easy. So what it will be? 0. So the reciprocal of 0 is what? 1 by 0. Can 1 by 1, can 1 be divided by 0? Again same like this, it cannot be. So again cosec A will be not defined. Okay, then it was 1 by 2, so it will be the reciprocal, what will be? It will be 2 by 1 means 2. Over here sin 45, what was it? Was 1 by root 2. So again it will be only root 2. The reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Then it was root 3 by 2. What it will be? It will be 2 by root 3. Okay. Then 90 was, sin 90 was 1. So reciprocal of 1 is always 1. So these are the values of cosec. Now let's move to the next one, that is sec. We also know that sec is the reciprocal of cos, right? We have learnt in the previous video that cosec is the reciprocal of sine, sec is the reciprocal of cos. So what is it? It is cos A is cos 0 is 1. So what will be sec 0? It will be the reciprocal of 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now what is the next one? It is sec 30. So what it will be? It will be the reciprocal of cos 30. So what is cos 30? It is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 will be the reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is what? 2 by root 3. Right? Now let's move to the next one, sec 45. What is sec 45? It will be 1 by root 2's reciprocal. So what will be it? 1 by root 2's reciprocal is what? It will be root 2. Right? And then what is the next one? It is sec 60. So what will be sec 60? Cos 60 is what? It is 1 by 2. So sec 60 will be the reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Right? The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Then the last one is sec 90. So what will be sec 90? Cos 90 was 0. Sec 90 will be 1 by 0. Again, can 1 be divided by 0? Of course no. So it will be not defined. Okay. Now let's move to the last one, that is cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, same. So what will be this one? Tan 0 degree is 0. Then what is the reciprocal of 0? It is 1 by 0. Again, so cot, can 1 be divided by 0? No. So cot 0 will be what? Not defined. Now let's move to the next one, that is cot 30. So it is the reciprocal of tan 30. What is it? It is 1 by root 3. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by root 3? It is root 3. So cot 30 will be root 3. Right? Then the next one is cot 45. What is cot 45? Tan 45 was 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? It is 1. So cot 45 will be 1. Right? Cot 45 is also 1. Now let's move to the next one. That is cot 60. So what is tan 60? It is root 3. And then what will be cot 60? What is the reciprocal of root 3? It will be 1 by root 3. So now the last one is cot 90. So what is tan 90? Tan 90 was not defined. So tan not defined means what? 1 by 0 we have seen. So what will be the reciprocal of 1 by 0? It will be 0 by 1. So 0 can be divided by 1. The answer will be 0, right? 0 by 1 is 0. We now know all the values of the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, right? So we have completed this one. In the next video, we will be back with exercise 8.2, okay? And you have to remember all of this. You have to learn all of this, okay? In the next video, we are going to be back with exercise 8.2. If you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.